She sat across from the hiring panel, knowing this question could end everything. Tell us about your biggest professional failure. Most candidates would deflect, minimize, blame others. Instead, she took a breath and told the truth. I launched a campaign that cost my company $50,000 and nearly lost our biggest client. The room went silent, but she didn't stop there. She explained how she took full responsibility, worked unpaid overtime for months to rebuild that relationship, created new approval processes so it could never happen again. In a field known for blame shifting, her honesty was shocking. They hired her over candidates with perfect track records. Why? Because they needed someone who learns from mistakes instead of hiding them. 5 years later, she became the youngest VP in company history. Her team feels safe admitting errors. They innovate boldly because failure isn't feared. One moment of brutal honesty changed everything. Not because perfection got rewarded, but because integrity created trust, and trust builds empires.